So to reset your TP-Link Archer 664 router back to factory settings, all you have to do is first of all connect it to power. And with the router connected to power, you want to get yourself a SIM ejector tool and then put it in this little hole here. So you want to press and hold that until, okay, so let's press and hold together. 1, 2, go. I'm holding. Keep holding. There you go. It starts blinking orange. Power is actually on the left hand side. So just keep holding. It will stop blinking. There you go. Then you see red, and then the power button alone, the power light alone. So the whole process takes about 15 to 20 seconds. So you need to press and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds, and the router has been factory reset. To use it, set it up again from scratch. Thanks for watching. Good luck.